to all seafood lovers! Here is one of our favorite, introducing clams with cream. And our ingredients are, and the procedure is, we start by heating our wok pan or frying pan to a medium temperature. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now we put in our ginger or luya. Then it is time to add our chopped onions. We stir it all together. We add our chopped garlic. And it is time for our clams or moslar or tahong. Stir well. Cover and boil for approximately 5 minutes. The clams are now cooked. We open the clams and leave 1/2 of the shell. Clams that have not opened, we discard. We continue to fry and add sea or rock salt 1/2 teaspoon. Now add the red pepper. And ground black pepper. Last, we add our cream. Boil for a few minutes. Now our clams or moslar or tahong are ready for plating. Pour the sauce from the pan over the clams. Now let's garnish with the spring onions. And now here is our creamy clams. So yummy, tasty, so good. It smells very good. And thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen making our creamy clams recipe, mga cooking ina. Hope you will try this for your family. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!